I'm Brett Thomas, Director and COO of The Melt. The Melt helps startups and scale-ups to grow from ideation right through to commercialisation of their physical products. We specialise in helping businesses making clean technology, advanced manufacturing and embedded IoT products and devices. In 2025, our program was conducted in May, and we had 26 startups that came to participate. That was beyond our expectations. Our ambition is obviously to try and land some of those, to come and set up here and to make their products here, to employ locals, and to really thrive and prosper in this region. There are companies like LockBlock, local founder who's come up with an idea that was based essentially on his experiences in working in the mines.
I'm Sean, founder and director of LockBlock. We were founded in February 2024 after a bad incident on a mine site, and we came up with a new isolation device. So I was at work one day, I went up to the truck, I applied my lock to the scissor clip as we normally would. We've had a supervisor go past who has noticed that our locks were actually placed onto the lockout, but the lockout was still in the on position. And then so they've pulled the entire job up. So I got out a lockout and I was looking at it and I thought, this device is fundamentally flawed. This device is supposed to protect us, yet you can inadvertently be unprotected by it. So I grabbed a Weet-Bix box and I started cutting it out and making a shape that then went around the lockout, which will prevent you from putting your lock on while it's still in the on position. A friend of mine, Pete, he said to me, I know this business up in Muswellbrook which would perfectly suit your product called The Melt. So I went down there with my cardboard and my lockout, and before my eyes he designed in CAD exactly what I envisaged.
We've built 13 prototypes here. He is now selling into the local mines and also has the ability to be able to diversify his customer base outside of New South Wales but also internationally. In addition to the small businesses, we also do a lot of consulting with larger corporates. We have industrial designers that help with the very early prototyping designs. We build the components right here in the Muswellbrook Melt Manufacturing Centre, complete with about $1 million worth of equipment. It gives them the ability to be able to use those machines in a way that is far more conducive to getting products built and designed at a price which they can afford.
So The Melt, I've been able to go to Ian for my design, but then I've also had Brett who's helped me out with patenting and so many other features of the business, which I just wouldn't know what to do otherwise. It's been like a central hub.
The benefits of the startups and scale-ups coming to this area essentially rely around the technical skills and capability that we have here. There is a significant amount of opportunity to do business with some of the world's biggest companies. You know, there are a lot of the mining companies that are here, there are some big energy producers here. The networks and the opportunity to be sort of under their noses and available to be able to produce products that fit into their narrative is really high and really strong.